This is probably the best video editing tool for Reels, especially for videos which are where there's a talking head, you're speaking in front of the camera, you're sharing some information, there's split screen, there's also like B-roll where you're explaining things. It's great for these kind of videos. This is how I edit my Reels. If you know about CapCut, it's very famous, it's by TikTok, it's not available in India. It's a very popular choice of video editing tool. This tool that I'm going to tell you about in this video is probably the best alternative. And I know Instagram is also coming out with its own video editing tool called Edits, but it's more like just taking whatever features we have to edit Reels on Instagram, taking out and making a standalone app for that. You would not need all the complex editing tools, which I also don't know how to use. By the way, this tool is just as good for editing YouTube videos too. Now it's the day and age of AI, right? Like there should be great tools out there. There are not very good options, but I found some tools that were interesting, like Canva, but it's very glitchy. It crashes a lot. You cannot edit videos more than like, I think, 5 seconds to 15 seconds. You cannot do it properly, but it's good. It gives you a lot of that flexibility to edit things the way you would like to edit. It has a lot of B-roll features as well. The second option is InVideo. InVideo is more for professional content. Like it's great, it's very popular, but probably cover this in some other video. And then the third option, which is the current, I think the most popular amongst people, is Captions.ai, which is great. They started out as a great tool for being able to subtitle your videos, and now they've added a bunch of new features, including AI influencers and AI avatars and all of that. But it still does not give you that kind of flexibility you need to edit videos. And that's where our recommendation of today comes in, which is Capwing. It's a browser-based video editing tool. I'm going to show you what all it has so that you get a good idea, and this could be your video editing tool. I'm going to show you all the features. Let's go. I have a new project and then I could just name tech video. Yeah. So I've got like an option to upload. I have an option to upload my clips, and it's just like a blank canvas, right? I can decide if I'm creating a video for LinkedIn, for YouTube. It's like a square meme or like vertical, horizontal. So I have options to create videos of different dimensions, of different sizes. And then there is this text option. So it gives me lots of like text option that I can easily control. It has visuals, so a lot of like B-roll that can be done from here, elements that I can use. So this is, a lot like Canva, but for videos, and it's better than actually Canva for videos. And then it gives me option of using different music. I'd say this one is not, it's limited, okay? It's limited, but you can upload and you can use that. Sound effects, it has subtitles. So it does what Caption AI does, maybe not as great. It also does the transcripts. Okay, let's look at some very useful AI features. First up, AI voice dubbing. You can go to subtitles and then dub your video. You can choose your original language and your target language. You can also dub into multiple languages at once. If you already have subtitles, you can just upload the file. So you can either clone the original speaker's voice or pick from over 180 AI voices, which are, it can be filtered by age, gender, and tone like news or conversational. Next up is AI lip sync. After dubbing, go to the translate section and lip sync. And then the video will automatically sync the lips to match the new voice. Great, right? Finally, text-based editing. Okay, this is super nice. Once your video is uploaded, click transcript and then generate the transcript. So now you can edit your video by just editing the text. Highlight a sentence or a word, hit delete, and it's gone from the video. It's great for cutting filler words, silences, and repeats. Fast and easy. It has AI voice. I haven't used this honestly, so I don't know. It has different layers. I don't know what that is. And the transitions. The transitions are interesting. They're pretty good. There's like a whole bunch of those that you can use. And it also gives you some templates. Okay, I want to actually go. Okay, so this is the video that I created, one of my first videos. It has a lot of these. So I can increase I can do this. I can increase the speed. These are all the positions. It has smart cut. It has volume. It also helps me do basic color grading, lighting. Yeah, I can also make borders different. I can add different borders to it. I can remove background. Yeah, I can remove background as well. And then sort of I can add transition. System my slide. You're traveling, you're taking hands. Okay, and then it lets you do a bunch of things. It makes me, I can change the color of the background. I can do so much with it. And then yeah, it also gives me save zones, like so that I can optimize it in a way which, yeah, you get it. Animations, transitions, a whole lot of features basically. And subtitles, add subtitle visuals. I can add B-rolls to it, and I can also add different layers like I've done here. Okay, this is great, right? Like I could do so much with it. And then, okay, let's try adding text. Yes, let's try adding text and just sort of do it here and add my voice separately. I've uploaded it on Media. And one thing that I also use it for, I can increase the speed of my voice from here. So I can just use this clip and go to speed and just increase it a little bit. So that, I mean, it just becomes, it looks very natural. It sounds very natural, but the speed of my voice is still a little faster. Okay, that's it. So check my Instagram if you want to see all the videos that I've created using Capwing. And I'll see you guys in the next video.